Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and must be taking all the necessary precautions in this critical situation. Now today we are going to start the first chapter in GK in class 8, that is Seven Sisters of India. In this chapter we are going to study about the seven states of India, that is commonly called the Seven Sisters. Now here some puzzles is given and you have to identify and find out that which state name is this. Now the very first one is, this state is called the Jewel of India, land of gems, and this state is known for its tradition, dance forms, music, and most of the state is covered with forest, which houses in this type of forest some rarest species of plants and animals are found, and this state is Manipur. Now second one, this state is one of the states in the northeastern parts of India and is just not only famous for its mesmerizing scenic beauty, but it's also renowned for some important festives. Means one important festival is there, and you may have even heard about the enchanting Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival is famous in Nagaland. Means the second state is called Nagaland. Now the third one is famous for tea and silk, and many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are built in this state, and Brahmaputra is the lifeline of the people residing over there, and Barak is another big river in this state, and this state is none other than Assam. Now fourth one is Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of this state, and you know kids, Mizoram literally means land of hill people. Mizoram is known for its pristine hills and caves, and culturally this region is liberated from caste and gender bars. Now the fifth one says that it is the third smallest state of India, and this state has favorable climatic condition for cultivation of various fruits and horticultural crops. It is rich in natural resources such as natural gas, rubber, tea and medicinal plants, and this state is called Tripura. And the last one says that it is the largest northeastern state, and it's also known as the Orchid State of India, and is also known as the land of dawnlit mountains. This state was found mentioned in prominent sculptures of India such as the Kalika Purna and Mahabharat, and this state celebrates its one of the most important festivals called Sanken, and this state is none other than Arunachal Pradesh. Now it's over. I hope you all have understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and must be taking all the necessary precautions in this critical situation.